Ever wondered how to handle an indefinite number of arguments in a function, or how to merge arrays and objects in JavaScript? The answer lies in two powerful features introduced in ECMAScript 6, also known as ES6, the rest and spread operators. First up, the rest operator. This handy tool allows you to represent an indefinite number of arguments as an array within a function parameter. It's symbolized by 3 consecutive dots. Picture this scenario. You have a function that sums up numbers. Instead of specifying each number individually, you can use the rest operator to gather all arguments into one array. So a function like this, function sum console.log sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, will give you an output of 15. It's that simple. The rest operator gathers all the arguments passed to the sum function into an array named numbers. Now onto the spread operator. This operator, represented by the same 3 consecutive dots, allows you to expand an array or object into individual elements. For arrays, it works like this: const r1 equals, const r2 equals, const merged array equals, console.log merged array. This will output: the spread operator spreads the elements of r1 and r2 into a new array. The same principle applies to objects. For example, const obj1 a1 b2, const ob2 equals cd4. Const merged object equal to obj1 to obj2 console.log merged object. This will output a1 b2 c3 4. The spread operator spreads the properties of obj1 and obj2 into a new object. So, in summary, the rest operator is used in function declarations to capture an indefinite number of arguments into an array parameter. On the other hand, the spread operator is used to expand arrays or objects into individual elements or properties. Both operators allow for concise and expressive code and have a wide range of uses in JavaScript, from function parameter handling to array manipulation and object merging. With these two operators in your toolkit, you'll be well equipped to handle the dynamic and flexible nature of JavaScript.